Director General of the National Orientation Agency, Dr. Garba Bari, has directed officers of the agency at the community level to immediately commence a community sensitization campaign on the new weather alert by the Nigerian Meteorological Agency, which predicted strong winds and flash flood in about 17 states of the country. This followed the official receipt of Nimet forecast, which indicated that thunderstorm cells have been observed over the northern parts of the country, especially Borno, Taraba, Gombe, Bauchi, and Kano states. Nimet says the thunderstorm cells accompanied by squalls is propagating eastwards to cities in Plateau, FCT, Nasarawa, Katsina, Adamawa, Yobe, Kaduna, and Jigawa states. Director General urged community orientation and mobilization officers to swing into action by providing necessary information to citizens at the grassroots to avert consequences such as loss of lives and properties.